Good morning. I am 5 minutes earlier today. So, as always, if you're watching in recording, you're welcome to fast forward about 5 minutes or stay with us as we say our hellos. Of course, as always, first I'm going to check that the sound is okay. So, if you hear me twice, don't be alarmed. It's me, not you. All right, checking the sound. Checking the sound. Checking the sound. Okay, the sound seems to be good, but a little bit delayed, which is fine. Good morning, Zazu. I see that somebody else is joining, but again, I cannot see the names. So unless you say something in the comments, unfortunately, I won't be able to welcome you personally, but please know that you're welcome anyway. Good morning, Gina. Good morning, Yanni, Leo, and Brady. Brady is Yanni and Leo's new dog. So cute. Good morning, Jean. Buenos dias, Judy. All right, it is time for us to start. And as we continue to explore the meditation basics in this current series, I want to dedicate today's session to a very important subject: the fact that really you are your own meditation instructor. Of course, it is important to learn all the ropes with a teacher, a mentor, a book, what have you. And of course, it is great to practice in a group like we're doing now. That is all very valid and useful. But at the end of the day, nobody but you can see completely inside your practice. Nobody can see whether you are spaced out or too tense, too harsh, or wandering all over the place, too caught up in your emotions. You are the only one who knows. You are the principal witness to your life. And you need to begin to trust your own insight into your mind in order to determine what your practice might need at any given moment. So, in a sense, you become your own meditation instructor. Even if I am the one guiding you through the practice, I cannot point out to you when you are touching the present moment deeply, or if your back is hurting too much and you need to readjust. It is something only you can feel. Pema Chodron writes this about the subject. When we try too hard to meditate, we can easily lose touch with the reason why we decided to meditate in the first place. So be a very kind teacher to yourself. You don't need to beat yourself over the head about what comes up or whether you are doing it right. The point is that you just notice how these innumerable potential distractions move into your experience of the present moment. Meditation is about leaving behind the idea that we can do it perfectly. I often hear from students, "Oh, I tried to meditate, but I'm not good at it." And I just want to echo Pema Chodron here. There is really no such thing as a good or bad meditation session. You cannot be good or bad at meditating. You either do it or you don't. As simple as that. So when you approach your meditation, of course, you do want to consider the space. You need to get settled into your body, check in with yourself. But the key meditation instruction that you can give yourself as your own teacher is to simply relax into what is. We really don't need to do anything. We just rest in the space between our thoughts and emotions, between our aches and pains and worries. And there is an incredible wisdom to this open, present space, even if it lasts only for a few fleeting moments. This is when we are opening to the wild display of surprising richness, the organic and unique display of the present moment. We are not trying. We're not controlling or attempting or efforting our way through it. We're just being. So let's practice together now. And today I'll be silent most of the time. Of course, I'll give you a few reminders here and there to stay present. Don't worry about that. But before we start, I want to read a poem from Dana Folds that I feel is so relevant for the practice of meditation. Another reminder to just be with what is and relax into this open space that is sometimes created by our beingness. This poem is called Go In and In. Go in and in. Be the space between two cells, the vast, resounding silence in which spirit dwells. Be sugar dissolving on the tongue of life. Dive in and in, as deep as you can dive. Be infinite, ecstatic truth. Be love conceived and born in union. Be exactly what you seek. Singing yes. Tasting yes. Embracing yes. Until there is only essence. The all of everything expressing through you as you. Go in and turn away from nothing that you find. So now take a comfortable position, whatever that is for you, seated or lying down, or maybe you're standing, walking, it's all good. Take a few moments to settle into your body. Feel your base. Relax. Relax your legs, your hands, your face. Eyes open or closed, either way. Let your breath be soft and easy, completely natural. No struggle. You just sense yourself being, and everything flows through your body, your heart, your mind, as energy. Check in with yourself to see where you're at right now, at the beginning of your practice. What is the strongest experience you're feeling in this very moment? Can you contact this experience non-verbally, just getting a felt sense of what's happening? Continue to simply stay here with openness, curiosity, kindness, allowing all the experiences, physical, emotional, mental, to simply pass through you as energy. Note all the experiences of the present moment: sounds, smells, sensations, thoughts, emotions. And every time you notice that something pulls you out of this moment, no judgment. Whether it's an obsessive thought or physical discomfort, simply acknowledge that it happened and come back to your practice until something else draws your attention away from it. Just accept that this is inevitable. We get distracted all the time. And it's okay, no big deal. You just keep coming back again and again. If you notice that you're getting hooked on some trigger, again, it can be an obsessive thought, an uncomfortable emotion, a physical discomfort. It's okay. Just remember to ask yourself, how much of this is really happening on the outside? And how much of this is produced by my mind? Are you able to meet whatever is happening right now with Maitri, the unconditional friendliness? Whenever you notice that you're starting to beat yourself up for something, see if you can interrupt this habit with a reminder that it's okay. Nothing needs to be changed. You don't need to get rid of anything. All you have to do is observe with curiosity and come back to this moment, staying with yourself no matter what. Just staying here, connecting with your direct experiences, whatever they are, pleasant, unpleasant, neutral. Remember, every meditation session is an exploration, an experiment. So approach it with curiosity, kindness, no judgment. Just notice what is. If the mind is calm, awesome. If the mind is racing around, really equally awesome. Whatever happens, it's all okay. Nothing is a big deal. And now gently let go of your practice and take a moment to scan your body again. What is happening now? Physically, emotionally, mentally? How are you? As you go through your day today, keep reminding yourself that you are the principal witness to your life, and only you can know for sure what's happening with you at any given moment. So pay attention, be curious, adjust whatever you're doing whenever you need to. Begin to trust yourself as your own mindfulness instructor, and let yourself be a very kind and compassionate teacher. Enjoy this exploration. Thank you so much for being here today. Have a beautiful day, and I will see you tomorrow.